Hey DJ, turn me up.
My YouTube channel. My name is Erica for those that do not know, and for those that do, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a thumbnail. We are going to recreate this thumbnail. It's because this video of mine has gotten the most views, and like I've stated previously before, in my 9 to 5, I am a digital marketing professional. I can do anything, and I love the thumbnail creation part of YouTube. It's because it's my wheelhouse. So let's get right into it. So here I've opened up Adobe InDesign. I love InDesign because it's easy to use. It's one of the marketing tools that we professionals use. So you can use it or you can not. You can download the subscription. I believe $20 a month. But here we're gonna do File, Place, this brown background, and we're gonna draw it in to fit the rectangle. So this background I got from a website called FreePick. That's FREEPIK.com. This is where I go to get most of my backgrounds. And I believe, they got a lot of free backgrounds, and if you want more, you can do a paid subscription. I just do the free ones. We're gonna go to the rectangle tool again, and we're gonna draw a new rectangle. We're gonna go to File, Place, my maternity photo, Open. So in order for this photo to fit into the rectangle perfectly, we are going to do right click, Fit Frame Proportionally. And you see it filled in that rectangle. But in actuality, we want my photo to be a little bigger. So we're going to double click. And you see that orange? We are going to hold Shift and make it bigger. I think that's the perfect size. I'm going to move myself back just a little. Alright, you see this harsh line? We do not want that. So to get rid of that, we are going to go to the gradient tool, and we are going to draw a line. As you can see, we got rid of that harsh line. It's more softer and it blends in with this brown background. And I kind of wanted myself not to be so hard, so I actually made the opacity here 45%. Therefore, you can see me, but you can't see me. It's almost if this is one image. It don't even look like I overlaid this image on top of another brown image. So that's all we needed to do in Adobe InDesign. So we're just going to go to File, Export, name it, save. Always make sure that your resolution is 300. Export. And that's it for the Adobe InDesign portion. So next we're going to head over into Canva. So I use Canva Pro. You have to pay extra. I believe you have more options per se. So here we're going to go to Upload Files, upload the new background, and then we're going to upload this still image that I took. So let's talk about stills. It takes me 15 to 20 stills before I take the perfect picture. I don't know, I'm just not a picture taker, but when one turns out great, it turns out great. Any day now. There we go. So we're just gonna click on it, and we're gonna drag it to fit the rectangle. And then we're gonna click on this image. We're gonna go to Edit Photo, and we're gonna crop. It's because we don't need all this background space. We just need the image. Done. Then we're gonna get it to the size that we want. I think that was about the size I used. We're gonna go to Edit Photo, Background Remover. Do you see how effortless that was? I would have had to go to Photoshop to remove my background, but now I don't do all that. Canva does it all. So what we're gonna do is flip. We're gonna go to flip horizontal. Yeah, we want me to look at myself like, oh my God, girl, what did you do? Why are we pregnant? Alright, so next we are going to add the glow. As you can see below, I have a white glow around my photo. Let's add this glow. So we're going to select the photo again, edit photo, and we're going to scroll down to effects, shadows. Select that, select glow, and we want to change this color to white. We don't want the size to be that harsh. And we want the intensity to be just a little softer. All right. Hit the back. All right. So next we are going to add elements to this thumbnail. So select elements. So here, when I was in the middle of designing, I was thinking, when you think baby, what do you think? And I was like, pink baby shoes. So what I did was type pink baby shoes into the search bar, and it gave me so many options, as you can see. But I decided to go with this shoe is because my baby got some shoes like that in real life. And I was like, oh, that's cute. Baby blocks. You see graphics, see all. And as you can see, you have a lot of options. And you see the little crowns? That means pro. I have the pro version so I can use it, but if you had the free version, you could not use it. Just type in what you're thinking and hope it pull up. So here I had a baby on a cloud, but when I was going through and I was re-looking for it, I was like, why can't I find it? But I remembered when I clicked on it, it gave me more recommendations, and I hit see all and remove that. And where's that baby? Which was this baby. Alright, so well, it looked like I had them baby blocks just a little bigger, them shoes just a little bigger. So let me make it just a little bigger because we are recreating. Here we go. Alright, for my font, you go to text and you add a heading, and my heading was finding out I'm pregnant. So I love Bobby Jones. I always use Bobby Jones on my captions. It's personal preference, but I use this one. And let's go to colors. So what I like about Canva, they give you a brand guide. And what a brand guide is the colors you are using in your design. On this canvas, I have all 3 shades of this pink. And I want to go with this color pink. Highlight. I want to go with this color pink. So therefore I can stay on brand. And we're going to go to effects, outline, and we're going to make that outline white. And you want it to be legible, so you can resize it by typing in or hitting the plus arrow. You can hit the plus arrow, or you can type in what you want, or you can just resize it yourself. add another heading, and let's call this story time. So my second favorite font to use is Madeline. Right there. And I'm going to make that white. And last but not least, let's add these pink question marks. So I typed in question marks. Oop, I did not move from text to elements. Easy mistake. Make sure you select elements and then type in question marks. See all. And I decided to go with these question marks is because, as you can see, certain question marks you cannot change the color. Like, it don't give me a color change option, and I felt, as you can see, this was more on brand. This color pink was more on brand, so we're going to tilt this. And in order to get that white glow around it, you would hit edit photo once again, effects, glow, and just change that black to white. Bam! You got you a thumbnail. You have your thumbnail. So what you do is hit share, download, make sure it is on JPEG. It's 2 pages. You can basically, let's say if you was working on 2, 3, 4 thumbnails, you can download all of them at once, or you can just download the one that you want. So I'll hit done, download, there you have it, a thumbnail. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comment section below. Let me know if you want to learn how to make a logo, flyer, more thumbnails, YouTube banner, outro, intro. I can do it all.
Turn me up.